Opening a door with ESP8266 NodeMCU and a push button. The goal of this project is to create a simple automated door control system using an ESP8266 NodeMCU microcontroller, a push button for manual triggering, a servo motor to simulate the physical movement of a door, and an LCD I2C display to provide real-time status updates. When the button is pressed, the ESP8266 rotates the servo motor to 20 degrees, simulating the door opening and displays door open. When the button is pressed again, the ESP8266 rotates the servo motor to 90 degrees, simulating the door closing and displays door closed. Connecting system components. Wooden house prototype represents a real-life house model with a door that opens and closes. The servo motor is mounted inside the house, controlling the door movement. The LCD screen is attached to the exterior for status display. ESP8266 NodeMCU acts as the brain of the system, controlling all other components. The servo motor simulates the mechanical motion of a door opening and closing. Connect the yellow wire signal from the servo motor to pin D5, GPIO14 of the ESP8266. Connect the red wire of the servo motor to the VIN pin of the ESP8266. Connect the brown wire from the servo motor to the GND pin of the ESP8266. The LCD I2C screen displays real-time status messages such as door open, door closed. Connect the GND pin of the display to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the display's VCC pin to the ESP8266 VIN pin. Connect the SDA pin of the display to the D2, GPIO4 pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the SCL pin of the display to the D1, GPIO5 pin of the ESP8266 board. The push button serves as the user input to open the door. "10K resistor prevents false triggers from the push button." Place the resistor between one leg of the button and the GND pin of the ESP8266. Connect the same pin of the push button to pin D8, GPIO15 of the ESP8266. Connect another leg of the push button to the 3-volt pin of the ESP8266. You find this tutorial in our website robotique.site. And thank you for your attention.